Lecture 2, Real-World Examples, How Students, Writers and Professionals Use NotebookLM. Today, we're going to make it real. This lecture is all about how real people, including students, writers, researchers, and working professionals are using NotebookLM to make their daily work easier, faster, and more focused. You don't need to be a tech wizard or AI expert to benefit from this tool. What really helps is seeing how others are using it and then adopting those ideas for yourself. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn real-life use cases of NotebookLM across different roles. Understand how students use it to study, revise, and prepare assignments. Learn how writers and content creators use it to plan and draft. See how professionals use it for meeting notes, reports, and research. Identify use cases you can adopt for your own academic or personal work. Students, studying smarter, not harder. Meet Alexa, a second-year biology student. Alexa uses NotebookLM to manage her exam prep. Instead of flipping through 3 textbooks and 10 Google Docs, she uploads all the notes and lecture slides in a single notebook. Before each study session, she asks, "What's the difference between mitosis and meiosis based on my notes?" List the 5 key functions of the cell membrane mentioned in the lecture slides. This helps her target the exact content she needs to revise, and she avoids wasting time scrolling through files. Common student use cases: summarizing dense chapters, quizzing yourself before a test, clarifying definitions and key terms, creating outlines for assignments based on course material. Writers, planning, outlining, and rewriting. Now, meet Marcus, a freelance content writer. Marcus writes blog posts for clients in different industries. He uploads client briefs, reference material, and previous blog posts into NotebookLM. Then he asks, what tone is used in the previous post? Can you generate 5 outline ideas for an article about remote work trends? Instead of starting from a blank page, he gets a structured starting point. Common writer use cases: analyzing tone or voice from past content, generating outline drafts based on source material, pulling quotes or stats from long research documents, rewriting clunky sections based on existing notes. Professionals, keeping work clean and centralized. Lastly, here is Sarah, a project manager. She manages a team across multiple departments. Before weekly meetings, she uploads updates, emails, and team notes into NotebookLM. Then she asks, summarize this week's team feedback. What were the main blockers reported by marketing? This lets her prepare talking points, understand patterns, and keep communication tight. Common professional use cases: summarizing meeting notes across departments, pulling project insights from different documents, creating executive summaries, preparing internal reports quickly. What do these examples have in common? Less searching, more understanding. NotebookLM helps cut through the clutter and focus on what matters. No more starting from scratch. Whether it's a study guide or a blog post, users are building on their existing work. Custom to your work. It's not answering based on the internet. It's answering based on your material. Flexible for different goals. Whether you're studying, writing, or managing people, NotebookLM fits into the workflow. NotebookLM is not just a note tool, it's a thinking partner. Whether you are a student, a writer, or a team leader, this tool helps you move from scattered file to organized insights.